Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix incorrect controller mapping on Madden 25. So what I suggest you to do if you got the game on EA Play is to close Steam, because sometimes it can conflict. I know why, but it can conflict with EA app. So just close exit Steam and look if the problem persists. If you have this game on Steam or EA Play and the mapping issue for you is happening, so what I suggest to do here, if you have a lot of peripherals enabled, like with your controller, maybe racing wheel, VR, foot pedal, something like that, try to disable them all. Also just disable a keyboard and mouse and just leave with controller, and then just plug it one by one and look what conflicts with your controller. And then once you find the issue, just while you're playing with Madden on your PC, just unplug that particular item, right? And basically this issue should be gone, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.